Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to grow and harvest rambutan, a delicious and nutritious fruit typical of the tropics. Rambutan fruit not only has great taste, but is also rich in vitamin C, fiber, and minerals, which are very good for health. Let's follow along and get started now. First, choosing a variety is an important factor in the process of growing rambutan. On the market today, there are many different types of rambutan, depending on the region and climatic conditions. Some popular varieties you can choose from include Java rambutan. This is the most popular variety, with large fruit, thick flesh, sweet and crunchy flavor. This type of rambutan is suitable for growing in areas with humid climates and high temperatures. Thai rambutan, longan rambutan. This type of rambutan has dark red skin, few thorns, and a unique flavor. Characteristics are that the fruit flesh is thick, sweet, and easy to peel. Hungarian rambutan. This rambutan variety produces fruit with dark red skin, sweet flavor, and is often exported. In addition, when choosing varieties, you should pay attention to the seed supply source. You should choose seedlings from reputable nurseries, ensuring the seedlings are healthy and pest-free. Rambutan is a crop that prefers nutrient-rich, loose and well-drained soil. In particular, rambutan grows well in tropical climates, with temperatures ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Sandy soil or alluvial soil, with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5, is the ideal choice. Before planting, you should prepare the soil by fertilizing with organic fertilizer or decomposed manure to improve soil quality. Organic fertilizer not only provides nutrients, but also helps improve soil porosity and drainage, preventing waterlogging, especially in the rainy season. If you grow rambutan on a large scale, you can apply soil improvement techniques such as plowing and drying to remove pathogens, and add microbial fertilizer to increase the activity of beneficial microorganisms. Profit. The ideal time to plant rambutan is at the beginning of the rainy season, usually from May to June, because this is the time when the tree easily takes root and grows quickly. If you plant in the dry season, you need to make sure to water the plant fully so as not to affect the growth process. Dig a planting hole. Before planting, dig a hole 40 to 50 centimeters deep and about 50 centimeters wide. The hole size must be large enough so that the tree roots have space to grow. Planting. Place the seedling in the hole, then cover it with soil and compact it. You should fill the soil slowly and not too deep. Just leave the soil level with the tree's root surface. Watering. Immediately after planting, water enough so that the plant can quickly adapt to the new environment. Make sure to water regularly in the early stages to help the plant take root better. Rambutan is a moisture-loving plant, but also does not like waterlogging. Therefore, regular watering is very important. Especially in the dry season, rambutan trees need to be provided with enough water to avoid drying out. Rainy season. If you plant in the rainy season, keep an eye out for waterlogging. You need to make sure the soil drains well to avoid root rot. Dry season. In the dry season, water at least twice a day, in the early morning and cool afternoon. Avoid watering at noon because high temperatures will evaporate water quickly and are not beneficial for the plant. Fertilization plays an important role in the development of rambutan plants. In order for the plant to flower and bear fruit well, you should periodically fertilize it with organic fertilizer or NPK fertilizer every 2 to 3 months. In there, organic fertilizer helps provide natural nutrients and improve soil structure. Applying organic fertilizer after the tree has taken root and before it flowers will help the tree grow stronger. Chemical fertilizers. Applying chemical fertilizers during the stages of the tree preparing to flower and bear fruit helps the tree have enough nutrients to grow strongly. You can divide the amount of fertilizer into smaller amounts and apply it several times a year to avoid over-fertilizing and harming the plant. During tree growth, pruning branches and creating a canopy is essential. It not only helps plants ventilate and enhance photosynthesis, but also helps limit pests and diseases. You should take the following steps. Prune dry, diseased branches. Remove dry, wilted, or diseased branches to avoid spreading them to other healthy branches. Create a tree canopy. In order for the tree to grow balanced and achieve high productivity, you should periodically prune and create a tree canopy, especially during the flowering and fruiting period. When the tree canopy is properly shaped, light will be evenly distributed to the entire tree, helping to increase photosynthesis. This work not only helps increase productivity, but also helps the tree reduce the risk of falling when encountering bad weather, such as a big storm. Rambutan usually begins to ripen from May to August every year. However, depending on climatic conditions and care techniques, harvest time may vary. To ensure harvesting at the right time, you need to observe the signs of rambutan fruit. Fruit skin changes color. For Java rambutan, the fruit skin will change from green to bright red when ripe. With Thai rambutan or longan rambutan, the fruit may turn bright yellow. Development of spines. When rambutan ripens, the spines on the skin will become soft and change color along with the skin. This is an easy-to-recognize sign for beginners. When harvesting rambutan, you should use scissors or a knife to cut the fruit stem. Do not break it forcefully because it can damage the tree and affect the next crop. Harvesting tools. Use scissors or a sharp knife to cut rambutan stems. Be careful to avoid damaging the pods or injuring the plant. Preservation after harvest. After harvest, you should place rambutan in baskets or plastic baskets to avoid bruising the fruit. Store rambutan in a cool environment and do not expose rambutan to direct sunlight to keep the fruit fresh longer. If you want to keep rambutan fresh for a long time, you can store it in the refrigerator at a temperature of about 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. So we have completed the steps from planting, caring for, and harvesting rambutan. Hopefully, through this video, you will have more experience and knowledge to grow the most delicious and quality rambutan trees for yourself. Don't forget to press the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.